Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download YouTube Studio for earning analytics detailed guide step by step clearly. To download YouTube Studio, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type YouTube Studio Download. Press the Enter key to begin the search. You will see several links related to YouTube Studio. Look for the official YouTube link, usually from youtube.com. Click on this official link to proceed. Once the web page loads, look for the option to download the app. If you are using a mobile device, you will be redirected to the App Store. On an Android device, this will take you to the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, it will direct you to the Apple App Store. Search for YouTube Studio in the App Store's search bar. Locate the official YouTube Studio app in the search results. Tap on it to view more details about the app. Check the app description to ensure you have the correct application. Highlighting features like analytics and performance tracking can help confirm this. Next, click on the Download or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the app by clicking on its icon. Sign in with your YouTube account credentials. Grant any necessary permissions for the app to function properly. You are now ready to start using YouTube Studio. Explore the Analytics section to understand your video performance. Use available metrics to enhance your content strategy in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.